You know, you walk across a university campus and you're always seeing people on lawnmowers, raking, moving things. You go into buildings, there are custodians cleaning. So there's all of this effort that sometimes if you're paying attention, you might notice. So I showed up here at the Lewis Honors College my first year, and pretty quickly I noticed Shelia. We had some exchange and I was like, hey, I kind of remember like looking over here. I was like, hey, Shelia, I have a question for you. And she's like, yeah. I was like, could I come film you? And she's like, sure. She didn't ask me like, why? Do you know what you're doing? What for? She was like, sure. Cleaning is about skill. You do develop a skill, a practice that is about how to do it best. That might be surprising to people, is how much like sort of attentiveness and like thoughtfulness goes into this kind of work, especially for Shelia. And you see that, I think, in the film, and you hear it in the way Sheila's talking about what she does. It was a good reminder that this work is being done by people. And even if you don't see it, especially if you don't see it and your space is together, it's because of them. The project started because in some ways I was already interested in like what this labor was, how we rely on it. But spending time with Shelia, it became very clear like that her attention and care that she brings to cleaning also connects to like her family and her social circle and in her community. With this project and a couple of my other projects has really become about it. It's about this person. It's about how do we celebrate people, especially people in these spaces that have been overlooked or are not paid enough. I think that that's something that this project reaffirmed for me, is like, that is work that's like worth doing, is like work that really honors like other people, and then also you're vulnerable enough to like be changed by it.